right, we're in the 65 Cobra. We're gonna get it running. We're gonna take it for a drive, see how she does. Got all of our gauges working here. Temps coming up, oil pressure's coming up, alternator's charging, RPMs are reading, and our fuel levels are reading as well. And I'll show the miles per hour here soon. The new gauge and belts showing 248 on the tach. Sounds awesome. And there's our miles per hour coming up. And oil pressure is looking good at idle. Listen to that all day. In the corners as well. Woo. Nice solid shift gate as well. Temp's doing great, still right around where it should be, resting at 187. Anyways, functional radio. this out in the parking lot. We're going to do a nice little walk around, kind of show everything I can. Starting off with our tires. Very cool looking period tire on these, with plenty of tread. Nice wide tires in the back. Continue around. Paint on this fiberglass body looks really nice as well. You have your modern LED tail lights, as well as a backup camera, which is kind of a neat little add-on. We'll make our way to the trunk. We do have fully carpeted trunk. You do have a battery cutoff as well. We have our fire extinguisher. And under this panel is our rear-mounted battery as well. And making our way into the cabin. Very nice stitched material everywhere with the seats and the door cards. There's a look at your gauges, your radio, your shifter. And it does have the attachment to have a nice little remote for your radio as well, so you can keep your hands where they need to be. Beautiful matching yellow harnesses. The carpet is cut really nice everywhere as well. As you can see, the fitment's very nice. It's really beautiful. All right, now we're gonna do a nice little startup from the outside and take a listen.